Hello, you guys. I hope you guys are having as amazing of a day as what I am. I'm going to get this out real quick just so I can tell you exactly what these things are named. So, this is my order from Chunkadust. This is the first time that I have placed an order from them, and I am super freaking excited. Like just all of the things. So, the first one that I have here is their sprinkle mold. And, oh my gosh. So, this is the 8x8 size. And this is designed to go with the bubble fondant 2.0 that you can make the sprinkles with. So you would take the, no, not that, because that's cleaning. That's me. Okay. So you would take this, put it onto your fondant, and then come out of it, take the cleaner plate off, and then come in with your pusher plate and be able to push out all of the little tiny dot sprinkles. So there we are. And this is super cool. So hopefully, I'm like, this is kind of interesting. So there is like a lot of play within like the pusher piece and the others. So that'll be interesting to see. And let me give you guys a size real quick of what these are. She actually, so freaking amazing that she, on her website, she has a lot of molds that actually have using the caliper on there so that you can be able to see what the measurement of things are. So I'm going to tell you, this is going to be a little bit smaller than what this is. Let me actually see if I could get an inside dimension on here. So we're just going to say a little bit smaller than this guy. Okay, so from the outside, it is 8.7, so it's probably like 8.5-ish millimeters on the inside of here. All right, oops. Let's get this in here. Oh, don't do that. Okay. Come on, y'all. Get y'all act together. And, mind you, it's purple. I love purple so much. This one is the stars. This is the same thing. These are super tiny. I love this size a lot because I was hoping to be able to make these for, maybe I should measure that part. That might be easier. But I guess it kind of is the outside. I don't know. I would really direct you to her site because her site actually has some really good measurements on there. So let's see if I can get it better from this angle. Yeah, so these are 8.8. So it's probably, again, 8.6 would be the size on those. Oh, good gosh. Oh, this is interesting. Well, no. Yeah, because it has to go through here. Is it that way? Oh, here's smart people. So it does. It has a little gappy thingy here. I don't know if you can see that. A little notch out of there. And that tells you how to line them up. And this has one too. So there. I put this one together wrong. But I guess it doesn't totally make a difference with this one because it's circular. So, cool feature. Okay, So that one is the Star Sprinkle Maker. Again, both of these are 8 by 8. And did I mention that they are purple? Just saying. I'm down for that. And these are little tiny hearts. Oh, this is going to be kind of harder to be able to do. So this is just going to be an ish. Says 9, let's say 9.7 would be that distance. I can't quite tell you top to bottom. It says 9.3 millimeters. So once I do the actual video of me making all of these, I'll be able to get better measurements. But once again, it's all on her site. So she's fantastic for that. So you can go to her. Now, this is something that I have been saving up for because holy mother of goodness. Oh my God. It's like so freaking amazing. So this is a embed maker and it is 10 by 10. You guys, this right here, I'll be able to make 100 embeds like super quick. So this, let's figure this out. That would be the bottom plate. You stuffy, stuffy, stuffy. And then put this on the top to be able to compress it. And then flip it over to be able to push them out. So maybe actually it would go like this because, oh, this is always the hardest part because I want to be able to push them. So that would go on top there and it'd be sitting out like this. And then you would flip it over. Yes, that's exactly how that would go. And then, so this will be sitting out here like this because you've got all your embed mixture in there. And then you can push down on this top part. And because this is level with here, they will all pop totally, completely out. Or if you were doing this upside down, let's say, because this would be your bottom plate. So after you put all your mixture in there and this guy is sitting up here like this, you flip it over, take your bottom plate off, and then put your embeds over like that, and then go like that. Whatever. We'll do it. We'll figure it out because I'm super freaking excited. With these, you're still going to have to let them dry. However, that is just super cool. Like, you can make them and pop them out very quickly instead of right now I use the silicone molds to be able to do that. She does have videos too. I don't think she has a video of her using the 10 by 10 one. I think she just has a video of her using the smaller one that's like 49 or something. But I'll look back at that too, and I'll probably just go in and label like which direction this one needs to be, so that way I don't forget. This also came in here. I do believe I already did sign up for their Facebook, but that's their doohickey on Facebook. And then this is the first time I think that they've been given care instructions in the actual package. A lot of them say it on their website, but not on the actual package. So there's the care instructions, 10% off, thank you thing, Chunkadust, love you, thank you for supporting my small business. If you love it, give a great review, goes a long way. If you don't love it, get in touch so I can help, which she's already been helpful. So I believe that she will continue to be helpful. And I won't be able to get to making any of this stuff for a while, but when I do, I will come back and let you guys know. Bye.